This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of the candidates. I'm examiner Arvinder Singh. I'm here to conduct speaking of candidate Sukhmanpreet Kaur with candidate number 111089. Okay, Sukhmanpreet, first of all, please introduce yourself. Okay, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Sukhmanpreet Kaur. I live in New Glen Market, surrounded this Paraga Sahib. And I am studying, but I have to study in plus 2 to pass out. I got in 89%.
Alright. What are your hobbies?
I like in hobbies in reading book and swimming pool. When I was in schooling, every day after timing, I do to swimming time, pool and reading book.
Alright. How much time do you spend on your hobbies in a day?
In evening, I had free time, and I do to exercise in English studies and reading book. And then I play with my family too.
Okay. Do you continue your hobbies on the weekends also? Do you continue your hobbies on the weekends also? What you did on your last weekend?
Weekend in this month in the evening, me and my mother had to the check temple and village, but I helped with my mother in tuition. Then after I do to exercise and study and reading and economy.
Okay. What will you do on your next weekend?
That's last weekend.
Next weekend. What will you do on your next weekend?
Then I left for last time, me and my mother had to turn to the outside and enjoyed with my family to print mall. Had to turn to the friend we called in. Me and my grandfather had to turn to the pastor.
Okay. What type of books do you like to read?
I like to read a book. My mother at 66 years old by Kamala Das.
Okay. Do you think Indian people do enough reading?
Did you think people?
Do you think Indian people do enough reading?
Many people have read a book, and they are either having a school library book and college library book at shop. And then many people in lockdown, many people had buying a shop online, Amazon, Flipkart, and shop there.
Okay. According to you, what type of books do children like to read?
Many people are like to read books. Tom and Jerry, and the small children are like in a book, the Barbies and the jungles and otherwise.
Okay. Which age group people do reading more?
Reading book. Many people are reading books. Love marriages and mothers and the fathers.
Okay. How we can motivate youngsters towards reading? How we can motivate youngsters towards reading? All right. Okay, now we will start your cue card. Okay, this is your cue card. Describe a time you have noticed a group of people smiling. A time when you saw a group of people smiling. Okay, this is your cue card. These are the bullet points, and you can make notes if you want. You have 1 minute to prepare for it, and then you have to speak for another 2 minutes. Alright, your time for preparation starts now. Okay, alright. Okay, please start.
I had a time I noticed a group of people smiling when I was in a small kid and me and my mother had returned to Haridwar, UP. And there are a very big river. And me and my mother had collected pictures. Then there one aunt had smelled it with me. And their auntie had come with me, but I did not come up with she. But their aunt hadn't brought in a lady's for me, and they made it smelling. And however, in evening, me and my mother had returned to a hotel, and then but at night, I checked alone, but my mother had returned to the ground. Then I go outside, but I did not bury my mother. But their uncle had come with me, but I was just cried. Uncle had just called it with me. Auntie had brought in a chocolate for me. I was just very happy. And then, but my mother wasn't found. And had a mobile phone for me. I had called in with my mother. And then after my mother had it come with me. And I was very happy. When I saw it, I felt over the moon.
Okay, alright. Okay, now we will start follow-up questions. Okay. What are the most common things that make people smile?
What the most?
What are the most common things that make people smile?
Many people have returned to the mall and market, and many people have buying a new dress or something, and other people have made it a smelling. They not become angry, and then after they make a new friend.
Okay. Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
When I was in schooling, but there my best friend and then just class it pass out, but I having problem physically not speaking. She named Gurkirat, and she made a Melina for me, and me and my best friend had made a new friend.
Okay. Why do you think some jobs they require you to smile and be presentable?
Many people have returned to a job, and the first time in a job, and but many people they did not have enough friend and helper. And then today after that, other people had made it as smiling and made it helper and otherwise work.
Okay. How do you feel when children smile?
First time I had it on to me and my mother had it on to a global makeover, and there reception she named me to Amrinda ma'am, and she made a melon, and I was very happy. After that she made a melon.
Alright, okay.